Yeah, good afternoon, everyone, or good morning, or good night, or good evening, anywhere it be where you are watching from. So, what I want us to achieve at first as we start this course is number one, to register ourselves on a platform called W3School because this platform is something that has been profiting to me and it has added some value and they have updated, up to date info. So you joining a web development class. So I want you to also interact with different of information that is made available here. Though it might look simple at start, but as you get deeper into it, you understand more. So it also have an avenue for you to practice and the likes. So you create a new account. Though my own account is logged in here that I'm currently using, but let me log it out. That you go from there. So the moment you first open it, this is how it comes off. You can either use your Google, your GitHub, your Facebook, and the likes to build. But based on the fact that you guys are in web development class, I want us to go with the route of GitHub. But in getting the GitHub, you can just go to your another browser and search for your GitHub. The GitHub, I will use I will log out this particular my own and I will use another login details to access to register it so that you will see the way it goes. Let me sign out this first. So this is how the GitHub will come to you for the very first time. So let me get the email here that we can use to quickly do that. Let me just use this. So you can go here the normal way you write, you sign up. You can even see directly from here. Sign up for GitHub. So put your mail here and click on sign up. So it asks for the password. Ensure you type your password there, your username. For this I'll be putting testing. It's a testing is not available. Testing web div. Testing web div, that is allowed. My country is Nigeria. If you want to be receiving mail, you can check this and you press OK. So they are trying to verify the account, and let me close this. So the next thing is to visual puzzle. You use audio. Let me use visual. So they said find the image that has price on the left side by the claw in the machine that has price. Which one is looking like this image over here? Let me check the
Option 1. Option 2. Option 3.
so it's asking which one sound like a B. So it's the second one that sound like a B. I think that one is very fast. So they say I should check my email. Something has been sent. So via my mail that I'm using here, I could get that one here. I could just refresh my mail. But you know the normal way you check your mail now. So that it will not be that. So for my mail here, I have it over here. I can put that here and proceed. So with that, I can sign up with the details. Did I save the? So I'll just sign up with my own account. That is the way you register is done. So with your mail that you register with and your password, you can now proceed to sign in, and that goes to your account. So immediately you've gotten to your account, go back to that W3 school and open with your GitHub. So immediately you create your GitHub, it will synchronize with the existing GitHub on your, and if your GitHub is not opening on that same browser, it will ask you to sign in that GitHub so that it will be able to load it. So that is how you link the two together. Your GitHub, yeah, because I want you to be using more of your GitHub this time around so that you guys will get familiar with it. And we also explain in class how this look like. So I just created this account recently just to also engage and interact more on things I've known and things I need to know more. You can see that I don't even have time to go to some of these courses. What I like the platform is you can access the course for free. It's only the certificate that you have to pay for. Or there's also have some other packages when you upgrade your stuff. So it will also be our learning track, learning part during the time of the class. So that is that about that. So in your dashboard, when it opens, some of these things that you're seeing here may not be there. The reason why when I open this one, then for me to be able to monitor myself is I want to take a path towards full stack. I'll explain to you guys in class how this one goes, and I want to pick different courses and carry them out and answer some of the questions for me to literally get to the end. So that is much about the two. So the next that I'll be doing is how you guys now get some of the software and what we'll be using in class. So for now, we said we'll be using Visual Studio Code, sorry, not W. So just go to a new browser. Let me borrow this. Let me open a new browser. So go to Visual Studio Code. So straight away, you can click on the download, or you go to the platform to check different options that are there. And so it will ask you, so depending on the system that you're using, here is Mac, this is Windows. So download as the case may be, and it is straight away installation process. The moment you download it on your system, download, go under your download, you should be able to see it over there. And in the meantime, you load it in. Just follow the instruction. So in other thing that will be set up on it, we also explain to us in class. I believe this explains a bit about what I see you guys to do. So if there is any question, put it in the comment section. I will address to it.